Hello, here's my Bitmoji Classroom. As you can see, I've done some work to it. If you want to make your own Bitmoji Classroom, what you're going to do is you're just going to open up Google Slides, have a blank page, make sure the layout is blank. You're going to go to background, you're going to choose image, and you're going to search classroom background in Google image search. So as you go through, you can see some different backgrounds. I don't know exactly how I found mine, but we'll go through here. A lot of people just want a whiteboard so they can click on stuff. But yeah, so I'll choose a random one. I can't find mine. So let's just say we were to use, I'll use one with the blackboard, I guess, right? I'll do I'll do this one over here. All right, and there's my background. If you want to add items to your classroom, I have a little inspiration board, computer. I have my own whiteboard, decorations, the bookshelf, and the plant. What you're going to do is you're going to press Insert, Image, search the web, and when you Google anything, you're going to put transparent. So let's just say you wanted a transparent beanbag chair, all right, for your Bitmoji to sit on. You can have that. You can add it in. Make sure it's transparent so that you don't see the white lines around it. Let's just say you wanted a plant. You could search in plant. Look around for which one you want. Here's one. Do a little plant over here. If you want to write on the board, just insert text box and you could choose, and you can play around with the font, whatever color you want, and you can just write Miss Whoever's Classroom. If you want to do it as a team, you could do it as a team. The way you get your Bitmoji in here, you have to download the Google Chrome extension Bitmoji, and you'll have a little logo over here with your Bitmoji. You click on that and all your Bitmojis come up. So let's just say you wanted your Bitmoji sitting so she could sit on the beanbag chair. You could bring her out here. Here she is. And you can have her sit on the chair. If you want to turn her around, you could rotate them, flip them. I think it's horizontally. There we go. So there she is sitting in her classroom. It's pretty much up to you what you want in here. What I use my Bitmoji Classroom is for Google Sites. So if you go to my Google Sites, that's my first thing what you see when you log in. And I have a little About Me page. So that's how I use my Bitmoji Classroom. I know that you can make these linkable. So you can insert a link over here to the image or whatever you want to do, and you can share this without your students editing it. Another thing I'm going to show you is the virtual locker. So here's the assignment. You design your own virtual locker, and they could design it here. Here are some things that they consider putting on their locker. Here's the example that was given. It was pretty cute. And so you just give them the blank one for them to fill out. Here's mine. And it's cool because you can have your little Bitmoji doing pretty much anything you want. But yeah, that's it. If you want me to send you that, I could send you that. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know.